Hi guys, welcome to this session on Microsoft PowerPoint. In this module, I want to have a look at the zoom feature and this one in particular, summary zoom, where you can create a summary slide which will take you to various sections of your presentation. So to use this feature, you need to create sections. This feature is slightly different, but I'll show you that as well. So first of all, we need to go back to the Home tab and create some sections for this presentation. So I'm just going to create some random sections. I'll just call that section 1, rename, and then let's just click one there. That can be section 2, rename, come down a bit, put one there, section 3, like so. So if you break your presentation into sections, I'll do one more, section 4 there. So I've got 4 sections in this presentation. Rename. So with sections you can collapse them and hide the slides like so, which is great. And then you can also move slides from one section to another. It's totally up to you how you do that. If you did it wrong the first time, and obviously naming them is you wouldn't use 1, 2, 3, 4. You'd probably give it a proper name. Now to use the actual zoom itself, this bit, slide zoom, if I say that's the contents of this PowerPoint presentation. So if I went into this slide, for example, and then went slide zoom, gives you the option to pick a slide from the presentation that you want to be available on this slide, or you could put it on all the slides if you wanted. And then when you're in presentation mode, this is basically just a hyperlink to that slide. Now in the past you used to have this feature or something similar to this anyhow in custom shows. You could set up custom shows and basically have a hyperlink to go to the various shows. This is slightly different, but it's still going to create a hyperlink in full screen mode. Now back to the insert zoom. Summary zoom does this. If I click on that, so you've got each first slide of each section ticked, highlighted. So I did 4 sections and you can see they're all selected there. You can select other ones if you want. And then if I click insert, you get the first slide of the presentation having these options on, these sections if you like. So when you put this into full screen, that will then allow you to click onto those slides. So if I put that into full screen, that's obviously the first slide. If I click onto that one, it takes me to that section and I can just click through that section, and there's that link to back to the contents in this example. And if I click on that, it just takes me to the content slide and I'm back through their contents and back through it again. So that's basically what zoom is. The ability to create a zoom option on a slide or several slides, or if I go back, see all slides, back to the front slide, and then you can just backspace off that, go back to your zoom, put that back into full screen, click onto one of the slides, go backspace, back to the first slide, click on the title slide, backspace to the zoom slide. So you're just using this to navigate around very quickly, backspace to the zoom. Now once you're in full screen, if you press the letter G, it gives you all your slides, but you can't see the zoom slide as you can see, but you've got this summary option at the top there, so you can get onto it. So click, press the letter G, get onto your summary section, and then off you go, clicking away through your presentation again. So that's all I want to talk about in this little session. So hopefully that was of use to you, and thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the next one.